There are basically two ways to convert your Sass file to CSS file. I will show you the both way. Which one you prefer, you can use that one. It's depend on you. Go to Sass official website. From here you can see this install button. The installation process is very simple. If you have installed NodeJS, then you can install by using npm install. Let me show you. Open your PowerShell, run as administrator. At first, just see Node is installed on your system or not. If Node is not installed, then go to your favorite browser and search for NodeJS and install it. It doesn't matter whether it's LTS or current. Install any of those. npm install. Globally, you want to install globally. To run globally, make sure you open your command prompt or PowerShell, run as administrator. That means we are ready to use Sass. Go to your desktop. I'll create a new folder, travel site. Okay, now open your Visual Studio Code. Go to file, add folder to workspace. We made a folder in our desktop, so click on this desktop. From here you can see the file we have made. Create few files. First one will be of course index.html. Second one will create a styles folder. Create another folder with name of img. Inside styles we are going to create a Sass folder. Just write style.scss.